What's up, you guys? It's Gary Valley on the door. I'm back with another hair video. I'm going to be installing this wig that I got from my local beauty supply store. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and like for more videos. If you guys enjoy this video, please let me know so I can update more. And yeah, basically in this video is just gonna watch me install this wig in my head. And yeah, basically that's all we're gonna do right here. All right, so I think I'm getting everything ready together. So yeah. Alright, at this moment, I'm going to put some alcohol by my hairline so everything can attach easily. I got the cap on. I'm going to get the Got2b glue spray and spray it on my hairline. Yeah, so got that. Going to spray it over my hairline. And basically, I'm just trying to get the feeling of this because I don't want to wear my real hair out as much anymore. So I just want to get some weave, get some bundles on my head, and basically, yeah. So I'm starting off with the beauty supply store local hair as a beginner to know how to install these wigs. So when I go purchase some, good human hair, that I know what to do. So I blow dried my hairline from the Got2b glue, and I'm cutting off the excess. How's y'all day going? Y'all doing good? Y'all doing good? I was looking so busted, like so freaking busted. I just need to do something with my hair. I needed to put some weave on because I did not like how I was looking, and I need to look cute. So I'm just like, blow drying the excess. With this wig, I failed to realize that the lace part wasn't ear to ear. So you'll see my confusion later on in the video when I did not notice that. Here's the hair. The hair is very soft, very nice. It has a nice shine to it. I know it looks really shiny on camera just due to the light. I didn't know my lighting was so bright. Like that, so I do need to adjust that. But the wig is so beautiful. It's so flowy. It's so soft. It's light. I freaking love it. It's gorgeous. It has a nice wave to it. It's not doing too much, and it's just very like natural looking. And I really enjoy it. So here starts the confusion with me with this. As you see, I'm clipping the hair back because I'm trying to see how this is gonna lay on the front because I don't want the cap that I molded onto my head to show or anything like that. So you see like on the edges how it's not reaching on the way, and I'm trying to like push down the sides to see what's going to happen. And then when I was pushing down the sides together from both ends, it was just getting too tight. So I'm just like, what the hell am I going to do about this? I'm not this experienced to know what I'm supposed to do. So I'm just trying to readjust everything. So here already the lace is cut and whatnot, so now I'm trying to figure out how the heck I'm going to do this. So I think I just like low-key gave up on myself a little bit because I'm just like, what the hell am I supposed to do? So I'm just trying to measure things out. I'm trying to figure out what the hell to do. So I just ended up, I'm using tape. I prefer using tape. I love using the tape. It's my first time using tape and I absolutely love it. The first time when I did a lace frontal, I did it with glue and I did not enjoy it. It made my hairline so tight. It felt like it was pulling my scalp and my hair. The tape makes it, I don't know, for me personally, the tape makes it so much comfortable for me. I have no tightness, but I do feel like my wig is secure. And I just freaking love it. It feels so much comfortable. I could smile, I could laugh, and then I could frown and all that stuff. With the glue, it was just so horrible. Like, it was such a bad experience for me. But with the lace tape, I freaking love it. This lace tape, I don't know what brand is it. The guy at the counter just gave it to me. He gave it to me. He asked me if I wanted a roll or in 6 pieces. I just asked him. I just told him he can give me in 6 pieces. So this is what he gave to me. So I have no idea what lace tape this is. But I absolutely love lace tape. And it does have a shine to when you first install it, but it goes away in like a day or so. So there's nothing too much to be concerned about. I was praying that I got this part right because I wanted the part to stay in the middle. I didn't want to be shifted to the side or nothing like that. So I just wanted to make sure that everything was good. So my sides right there, since they didn't reach all the way to down because I have the laces, I just end up cutting the edges, I believe, and just to try to style it. But as you can see, the hair looks really nice on me. The wave is nice, and it's just like, so I look good. So yeah, you see here, like that part I just started, so that part did have some excess from the cap, so I just went ahead and cut that and then just let my real hair out. And I think I cleaned it with some alcohol because it was just looking like really grayish right there. Now baby hairs, baby freaking hairs. When I do baby hairs on my real hair, I'm okay, I'm good. But when it comes down to doing it with like weave and whatnot, oh my gosh, this is like, it's like the worst ever. It's like I'm doing a test in high school, and it's just like stressing me out. But I tried my best with the baby hairs. I ended up making them shorter, and then I ended up working my magic some way somehow by the grace of God. But baby hairs are not my specialty when it comes to weave at all, period. And oh yeah, I had got a phone call from my friend, but I was just like, I need a break, I need to focus. As I was like pulling those hair down from, yeah, as I was pulling those hair down to make the baby hairs, I didn't realize that front part was like, short. So I was like really grateful for that, for those parts being short, and for me to be able to do those baby hairs. Trimming the edges down. I think I trimmed them some more. Oh, what I used here was the Got to Be glue gel, the one in the yellow tube. So here I am, struggling to do these baby hairs, just to make this hair look decent on me and whatnot. Oh, this is horrible. Okay, so I end up getting it to the way I like it, or the way I was the best I was able to do it. So I just left it as that and just went ahead and started laying the baby hairs and just ready to get this thing over with because I was just getting stressed out. So as you see, here's the end result of how the hair looks like on me with baby hairs being done. So far so good. Looks pretty decent on me. I did an okay job. I'm proud of myself. My camera did cut off at the end for me to do any poses or anything like that, but I do have some pictures I put that I took on Snapchat. That I took on Snapchat, and then I posted it, so they're gonna come next. So here's the final look. Looking good, looking gorgeous, looking sexy. Girl, you look blessed. You look happy. You look good. You look delicious. Yes. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe if you want more. Thank you.